Hi guys, this is Pooja Pednekar and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Well, from my colorful pens, I'm sure you must have guessed that the theme for this month is rainbow. As usual, just a quick reminder before starting. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This would help me grow my channel and continue making videos for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get started. This page looked a bit empty to me, so later I have added few raindrops. You can see this when I flip through. Now moving on to my quotes page. The quote I selected for this month is "Be the rainbow in someone else's cloud." This has such a deep meaning to it. One of my New Year goals is to make people around me happy. Next up is my monthly log page. For all the table headers, I'm going to use bubble font. Here, as you can see, I have messed up the boxes, but that's okay, it's not a biggie. The whole purpose of my bullet journal is to save my time, and the only reason I try to make it attractive is because that encourages me to keep using it. Moving on to my mood tracker. Here I am drawing a bunch of clouds which I will be coloring in rainbow colors. And then the emojis will represent my mood for that day. The next spread is my habit tracker. Sorry for the typo. I realized that I have made the mistake when I was doing this voiceover. This time I'm going for a circular tracker in which I will be tracking my 7 habits. Then I will be coloring them in rainbow colors. I think it will look great by the end of the month. I will be sharing my completed spreads on my Instagram. So if you are interested, then make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will include all the links in the description box below. Here, I have also incorporated a report table which will help me know which of the habit needs more focus. Finally, moving on to my weekly spread. This time, I wanted to give Dutch door a try. Let's see how I go. As usual, I'm going to have a monthly calendar and notes section. I noticed that I don't really use the whole column, so this time I have decided to split each column into 2. I also thought that it would be a good idea to keep expense tracker in this spread, as weekly spread is one of my most used spreads. That is all I have got for you guys today. and it's time for a final flip through. So, what theme did you guys choose for your January setup? Do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for sticking around till the end. See you in my next video. Bye.